Hi guys, we're back. So today we're going to, like I said, review double letter spellings, and we're going to keep talking about the k sound. So let's look at some double letter spellings. Okay, so first we want to look at the spelling C for k and CC for k. Our pair is cat and hiccup. So this particular example shows us a two-syllable word, clap it, hiccup, where the double letter spelling is at the end of a syllable. Remember, either the end of the word or the end of the syllable. Never at the beginning. So cat and hiccup. Next, let's look at can be in or in. Let's look. We have not and tennis. Not and tennis. Tennis, the ball. Yeah, that's tennis. Okay? Again, at the end of the syllable, clap it. Tennis, two syllables. It's at the end of the syllable. Good job. Next, we're going to look at the p sound, spelled P, and the p sound, spelled PP. So we have pen and happen. Another excellent example of a two-syllable word. Happen with the PP, or the double letter, at the end of the first syllable. What else do we have? We have as in R or RR with run and ferret. Run and ferret. Next we see the sound T, and T can be spelled T or TT, like tip and mitt. In this example, it's a one-syllable word, see a one clap, mitt. So therefore, that double letter is at the end of the word, whereas ferret was two syllables, and the double letter was at the end of the first syllable. Okay. How about the sound Z? The sound Z can be spelled Z. It can also be spelled ZZ. Let's look. In zip and buzz. Put a little star on your brain on that sound, because we're going to talk about it more actually tomorrow. Okay, that Z sound has one more spelling, but we're not worried about that yet. So these are all double letter spellings again, and they're generally found at the end of words or the end of syllables, but never at the beginning. Okay, let's look at the k sound once more, because this still feeds into our double letter spelling pattern. Even though it's a C and a K, the C says k, the K says k. So it's a repeat of the same sound together, making one sound. So for C says k, K says k, CK says k. All right, excellent job. So let's look at our first word we have is clap. Clap uses the C spelling of k. Then we have kit. Kit. Do you know what spelling kit uses? Correct. It uses the K spelling k. And rock. 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 And here we see the CK at the end, as previously stated, at the end of the word, or longer words like chicken, the end of the syllable. All right, let's go on some more. How about the word scab? Scab. Do you hear the k in scab? You do. Excellent. So scab uses the spelling C. Scab. Scab. What about skin? Skin. We've seen skin before. We know about our skin. That's our organ on the outside. Skin uses the spelling K. And we'll learn more about later why scab uses C and skin uses K, but it has to do with the vowel that comes after the sound K. That's part of how you distinguish which one to use. And we also know that based on our power bar, this is the most common use. This is the most common spelling for the K sound. Okay? What about the word buck? How about the word buck? You're right, the k is at the end, which generally for us means it is a CK, buck. Okay? How about the word cups? Cups. Cups is spelled with the C for the K. How about desk? Desk. You're right, the K is at the end. However, it is a K spelling. Desk. Desk. And I kind of told you this one last week, or not last week, the other day. How about thick? Thick. Thick. Good job, CK. I have a bonus word for you. We actually mentioned it earlier. What other spelling for the K sound did we talk about? Right, we said hiccup had the double letter C, also making the K sound. So this one is this double letter C as the K sound is special in that it's only in the middle of 2-syllable words. It's only at the end of the first syllable in a multiple syllable word. So you're not going to see it very often. So like hiccup and soccer are going to be your main examples of that spelling. There are a couple more, but we're not going to worry about that till like unit 4 or 5. We'll get back to it. So all these things, put them in your brain storage and use them as you need them. We do need and know the K sound as it is spelled and use it often with the C, K, or CK to be used only at the end of words. Okay, so now the question is, what do I do with this information? Well, in your cat book, you have page number 24.1. So here's our book. We open said book. Almost there, hold on. Open said book. That doesn't match, turn it sideways. Turn it sideways. And you see you are sorting the words in the word bank based on so spelled C, spelled K, and spelled CK. Do you have to do this in your book? That's a no. You don't have to do this in the book because in Canvas you have it's called a quiz, but it is and that's just so I can have the function of this filling in like sorting things. I can't do that in assignments or in Nearpod, so it's a Canvas quiz. This is your assignment today. You're going to pick each word up and drag it to the correct spelling of the sound. And then after you've sorted all 9 words, you'll go to question number 2, and you'll fill in the blank. I use the CK spelling at the blank of a word, beginning, middle, end. You select your answer, you click submit, and I will get your work. So is this what I want you to do? Yes, this is what I want you to do. This is how I want you to turn in your work, and you will find it below the video, right below this video. As soon as this stops playing, you can click right here. If you're not comfortable going straight to the digital assignment, you can still work on it in your cat book. No one is saying you can't do this, but what I'm saying is that you need to do this. Okay, but that's all I have for today in our review, again, of double letter spellings and the K sound, and you're going to sort the K sound words. But until next time, bye!